How to repost on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, go to the video that you want to repost. Say for example this one. Once you're there, click on the share icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on repost. And just like that, you just reposted this video. So that was it for this video. That's how you can repost TikTok videos. If you have any questions, as usual, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video. Take care.